everyone, welcome to Beauty First and 10. If you're new here, hi, my name is Debbie and I'm excited to have you on my channel. And today we're going to be unboxing my Walmart fall haul. As you can see here, going up to the ceiling. So I have been very surprised over, I'd say, the last year with the quality and pieces that you can find that are often very on trend at Walmart. It's kind of like a Forever 21 type situation, or like an H&M, where you can get products that are relatively cheap for at least the quality that you're getting, and it helps you to stay on trend and not have to spend, $100 at White House Black Market for one item. You can spend $100 and get a ton of items. So we'll go through some of them and hopefully you'll find something that fits you as well and that works for you. So we'll dive in. Okay, so I got a little bit of them out of the way so we can work on a couple boxes at a time here. This one, oh yeah, I'm very excited to see how this looks. So this is a sweater, and this is by Time and Tru, and this is the women's conversational crew neck sweater, and this is a lightweight sweater. So I got this in medium. This looks actually like it's going to be a little bit big, and I probably wanted to go small, but you can see here, and this is, wow, super, super soft. So I love the saying on there. I think that's really nice. And so you can see in here in this video that it is a little bit big for me, and this does come in sizes extra small to 3XL. This is technically considered cobalt. There's a number of these. Again, this is about $16.98. So I will probably size down this one to a small or maybe even an extra small. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're ordering. And then the other one should be the other one. So again, by Time and Tru, women's conversational sweaters. This one, oh gosh, they're just so soft. So this one is a medium as well, although this one looks a little less big, but this one says cozy on it. Again, $16.98, and this is considered oatmeal heather. As you can see in the video there, again, it's a little bit big for me, but these are really nice, and so I will definitely be getting these in a slightly smaller size. It's always hard to know when you're ordering online what size to get. So in this case, I was wrong, but I'm usually right about what I am. But I think this might have been an oversized sweater to start with, and I like my stuff a little bit more streamlined. So what else have we got in here? Okay, so these are going to be cargo pants. And I got these actually mostly for work because we wear a lot of cargo pants. But you can see here that you've got, kind of your pockets here. And this is a little bit of a wider leg. So this will allow for some movement. And then you actually have functional pockets up here, because we all know that women's clothing doesn't like to have functional pockets that actually fit our cell phones. Apparently that's only male clothing items. So these cargo pants you can see in the video up there. This is by Time and Tru, and this is the drawstring cargo pant. It's got a 31-inch inseam, and this comes in options of 29, 31, and 33. This color is considered metal night. And I got this in a size 8, and we'll see if that fits really well, and I'll put that in the video description too and let you know if this was a good size for me. This comes in sizes 2 through 20, and it is selling out, and it does have many colors. So if you're interested in checking out this cargo pant, that's not really it's a jean type material, but it's a little bit more lightweight, then definitely don't sleep on this one because it was starting to sell. Okay, so we'll dive into some of these smaller bags here, and looks like these came from my local store. Okay, so this first one is this conversational cardigan, and this is also by No Boundaries, and I got this in size small, but it has these skeletons on it that I think are so cute. And I got the small because it looked like it was a little bit oversized, and I wanted it a little bit more fitted. So just keep that in mind. You might want to go to medium or large if you wear a similar size to me and you want this to be oversized. And I'll put the picture up here, but this comes in light heather gray. It's $17.98, and it comes in size small, or that's what I got, and it comes in sizes extra small to 2XL. So definitely encourage you to check this out for Halloween. It doesn't always get the same love as Christmas cardigans and things like that, but this is great and perfect for this time of year. And then this other one I have here, okay, so this is by Time and Tru, and this is the mixed media jacket. And so this has pockets right here, and I got size medium. I generally, because I'm tall, I also have long arms, like I have long legs, and I often need the size so that I don't have short fitting arms on me. So I will put in the description box here whether or not this was a good fit for me. And this comes in sizes extra small to 3XL. It's $29.98, and this is called hot chocolate. So definitely really enjoying this. Again, it's a piece that I'm going to wear much later in the year, but I really, really liked this when I saw it, and it sold out once, and then I was able to get it. It's currently back in all sizes, but just keep that in mind. And then this other one here that I've got. Okay, so this is going to be the vest. So this vest is by Time and Tru, and I have this in size small, and this is actually reversible. So you can see right there, it actually says it's reversible. So on one side you have this fabric collar, and then on this other side you kind of have like this shell material. I think both are really pretty, and so I wanted to get this. I thought this was a great transitional piece as well when you just want to be a little warmer on your core. So I'll show it both ways up in this description box, but this is going to come in sizes extra small to extra large, and I have it in almond, but I also bought Mocha Splash, and I got this in a size small, and it was $24.98. So definitely check these out, and I'll zip this down so you can see, but the zipper works both ways. So it just gets to the top and then it flips over, and then both sides have pockets. So you have a pocket on the shell side, and then you also have a pocket on the faux fur side. So that's really nice that you don't have to sacrifice one versus the other. Sometimes with reversible, it only really looks good in one way or is intended for one way, but this actually has both. So that is great. And then also in this package here, I have some socks. So I know this is not the most exciting thing, but these are by Joyspun, and I don't know if you can kind of see the texture on these, but these are so soft, and I saw these online, and they also have the little tread marks so you can see them a little bit better, and that way you can kind of walk around the house in these. And this is considered the women's double layer crew lounge socks. It comes as a 3-pack. There's a couple different color options in there, and it fits sizes 4 through 10. If you have size 4 feet, you are very tiny, and I hope you're young, because that is a wide range to be able to fit. I wear size 10, so I'm hoping these fit really well. I'll put it up in the description box if they don't. And this was $9.97, and I just really think this is a nice, safe purchase. 3 pairs of socks, this level for $9, that's a good deal. Okay, so for the next round, let's see what we've got here. So I like that all their packaging says it's recyclable, because that's not always the case. And I know Amazon does that a lot more now too. Okay, so this is the other vest that goes with the one I just showed you. So this one is going to be in Mocha Splash. And again, you can see you have your outer shell, your pockets here, and then this is the color that's the faux fur. So you've already kind of seen this in the picture, but just to kind of show it to you again. And then the other thing I got was these pair of boots. So these are riding boots, and these are by Time and Tru, and this is, you can see there, it's got the buckle, and I'll kind of put it this way so you can see a little bit better. And this is a 10 wide is the size that I got. This is $29.98, and it has wide width available, but you don't have to get wide width. And this is the color Cognac. So I just think these boots are just so neat. With a dress, I think these would look good. So definitely check these out. And, I'll write in the description box here if they were not a good fit for me. Okay, so let's see what's in this one here. And just there. Okay. So I did get some pants options. I felt like it was just time to update some of my pants and some of my pant colors. So I got 2 pairs of this. I've got this one in Sorrel Horse, and then I have another one in there that is in Black Soot. So it's basically just black. And this is the Scoop, and this is the Women's Ultimate Crepe Mid-Rise, which I really like mid-rise. Sometimes high-rise is just, I get tired. And this is a straight leg, so you can see that there. And this is a stovepipe pant. It has a 32-inch inseam, so it should be a good fit for me. And this comes in sizes extra small to 2XL. And this brown color was about $26. And I'll put it up there. And then the other one that I had is this black color. And for whatever reason, this one is $29. And the Sorrel Horse brown color is just $26. I just thought, you know, it was still kind of a wider leg, but, you know, just something that was a little bit more professional as far as a pant anyway. And with this Sorrel Horse one, I did actually order the blazer that matches this to have a nice matching set. That just hasn't come in yet. Okay, so this is going to be a 2-pack of sweatpants. And this is going to be from No Boundaries. And these are wide leg fleece pants. And there's 2 in a pack. So you can get 2 of the same color, you can get 1 individually, or you can get a 2-pack that kind of mixes and matches. So I did kind of the mix match, and I got these in size medium. And this is considered to be brown, so very original, and then black soot again. So I don't know why we didn't call it black when we already called it brown, but you know it is what it is. And these are $18.98 for both pairs. And this comes in extra, extra small to 2XL. So let's take a look at this. I'm pretty tall, so just for measurement sizes, I am a 5'9", so I do tend to kind of need things that are a little bit longer. Cropped never really works out well for me. So this is the pant leg here, and you can see that it's got that wide leg, but you know, you've got your drawstring waist, and then you've got this brown color. So I'll put a picture up there of the 2 of them. But overall, I'm pretty happy. It does look a little baggy, so I'm interested to just see whether or not I should have gone to small. If that's the case, I'll put it in the description box up here, what size I would recommend. Like I said, I'm usually a size 8 or a medium in most pants because I need the length. But when it is long, then sometimes I can go down to a small. So it just kind of depends on the size. Okay, and then the last thing I've got in here is a dress. And this is, get it out. So this dress is by Scoop, and this is a women's satin cami slip dress, and it's got some nice length on it. It's also got this asymmetrical cut you can kind of see there, and I just think this is great. You know, this is such a popular color for fall. Just anything in that rhubarb, merlot, wine color, anything that has that is going to be really popular. And I just think this dress, you know, houndstooth is always something that's very fall-like. So I think this will be really, really nice. So I'll put the picture up here, small to 2XL. The color is considered rhubarb, and this is $17.40. Now, I will tell you that this is selling out. So if you're interested in this, once they've reduced the price on an item, and this is a reduced sale price, then it has a tendency to sell out. So if you're interested in this, I would definitely get it. There was a couple other pieces in this kind of rhubarb collection that came out that are already sold out. So definitely check this out. I have a feeling I'm going to love this. And I did get this in size medium, and we'll see if that's a good fit up there. If it's not, I will mention it. Okay. So that, I think, is everything that's in this box. Okay, so next we're gonna go through 2 purses, and some of these items I got in store. And so there's this cute little hobo purse, and I'll bring it in close so you can kind of see. It has kind of this teddy bear type material. And this is from No Boundaries. This does come in 4 colors, and this is the hands-free hobo in dark brown. But I definitely encourage you to get this. This shape of kind of this hobo bag is huge for fall, and so is the dark brown color. And this was a lot of people's carts, so this is probably going to sell out. If you're interested in getting it, I would definitely either get it in your store if it's there, or get this online. And then the other one I got, this one is by Time and True, and this is the women's plaid barrel crossbody bag. And this one comes in 2 colors. There's a black and white, and then there's this color, which is considered cognac. And this was $19.98. This was $12.98. But I mean, this is great. I mean, less than $20 to get a bag like this. And it's got this pocket in the front that you can stick stuff in. And then it also has pockets on both sides. And this has a pretty good inside, so it's stuffed with material, but you can definitely fit a lot of things in there. You know, certainly your cell phone, you know, little makeup case, wallet, everything will fit in here. This is a really nice size bag, so I encourage you to check this one out as well. Okay, and then this other item I got, this is so soft. This material is great. I got one of these in white or an off-white last year, and I love to wear it. So I got this one again when I saw the leopard, since leopard is such a big thing for this year. And I got this in size medium, and this is by Time and True, and this is considered to be Black Soot Leopard is the name of the color. And they do have another one that is Mocha Splash, that's just all brown. And this is $18.98. It is in sizes extra small to 3XL, but this is sold out in the extra small size. So just kind of keep that in mind, that if you're wanting to get this, I would go ahead and also put this in your cart. But this was actually inside of my Walmart store. So it might be the same case for you where you can just pick it up in store. So I also got some jeans, and these are by Sophia, and this is kind of their Walmart collection. I got these in size 8, and this is the Lift and Sculpt Flare Low Rise. Now, I will tell you that I've tried these on, and these have a really nice flare, which I really like. They're low rise, which really just means they're kind of like normal or like mid-rise. And I'll put a picture up here, but I really enjoyed these jeans. They are comfortable to wear, and I've had several of her jeans before, and I've really enjoyed them, and this size 8 is a perfect fit for me. So again, this one is on sale right now, and this is for $17.15. It comes in sizes 0 to 20. And so if you're thinking about getting this, it's gone on sale, and that usually means it's going to sell out pretty quickly. So if you're interested in a good jean, this one is in the color Emma, then I definitely encourage you to pick this up as well. And then to kind of go along with that dress, I actually got the cami also in this rhubarb houndstooth print, and I'll put a picture up here, but this is so great. I really like this. It just really ties into, you know, kind of that fall transitional piece. And this again is by Scoop, and this is the V-neck cami. This comes in extra small to 2XL, and this is $16. So definitely encourage you to check this one out as well. If you're not really a dress person, but you'd wear a cami, then definitely go ahead and pick this up as well. Okay, and then the other thing I picked up that was in my store is this vest. And this is by Avia, and this is their Women's Faux Shearling Vest. And this comes in sizes extra small to 4XL. This is $27.98, and I got size small. And this was a good fit on me. And I like that it has pockets, and I like that, you know, it's got this nice zipper. I have a couple of pieces from Avia, and they do sportswear pretty well. And then it also has a hood on it, which is really nice as well. So I'll put the pictures up there, but I really enjoy this. And while it's still a little too hot down here in Texas, this is something I will definitely be wearing in the November-ish time period. But with these pieces at Walmart, you know, I realized that up north it's getting cold. And so these pieces, whether it's hot or cold where you live, they will sell out pretty quickly by the time you actually get to when you need to wear it. Thank you for joining me here at Beauty First in 10, and I hope you hit subscribe to get notified of more beauty, fashion, and makeup tips. And again, I will put some of my unboxing videos on some of these other screens here so you can check those out. And then I will also put down below here the makeup and fashion tips for fall 2024, so you can check that out, and that has other items that are not just from Walmart, and then also makeup tips for the fall as well. And then I also have a fall tutorial for just makeup if you want to check that out as well. And so again, thank you for joining my Walmart fall haul, and hopefully you found some items that you want to add to cart and happy shopping.